I'm going to show you how to make authentic Neapolitan-style pizza sauce. This recipe is good for making up to 8 standard 30cm or 12-inch pizzas. For the most authentic sauce, use San Marzano tomatoes, or you could also use finely chopped Italian tomatoes, but go for good quality. We're using a 400-gram tin. Tip them into a bowl. If you're using San Marzano, you're going to have to use your hands or a stick blender to mush up those tomatoes, but make sure if you're using a stick blender, you don't make them too fine. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano leaves, and stir through. Pick off 6 or 7 fresh basil leaves, tear them into little bits and also roll them between your fingers to release all that lovely aroma and oil, and put them into your mix. Stir it all around, and then once you've done that, you can set it aside for about 30 minutes for all those flavors to infuse. Now you're ready to use your sauce. It's as quick as that. It's only about 30 seconds to make the sauce. Put the sauce on your pizza, top it with cheese, add the basil leaves, throw it in your pizza oven, and there's your authentic margherita pizza with that wonderful, authentic Neapolitan-style pizza sauce that you made earlier. Remember, that sauce only took about 30 seconds to actually make. It's that simple. My name's Andrew from Food Good. If you've liked what you've seen, please give us a like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.